In Chapter 15 of To Kill a Mockingbird, Scout Finch learns about the realities of injustice and adult hypocrisy that shadow the lenient moral code by which she has learned to live. It begins with Sheriff Heck Tate and a group of men coming to Atticus Finch's house late in the evening. Atticus goes outside to speak with them, and the Finch children, Scout and Jem, watch from inside, overhearing that the men are concerned about Tom Robinson's safety in the Maycomb County Jail the night before the trial. Later, Atticus takes a light bulb and a long extension cord into the front yard, where he plans to read. This unusual behavior unsettles Scout and Jem, who understand something important is going to happen. Despite Atticus's order to stay home, Scout, Jem, and their friend Dill Harris sneak out and go to downtown Maycomb. They find Atticus sitting outside the jail, reading under the light. Suddenly, a group of men arrive intending to lynch Tom Robinson. Scout senses that something is very wrong, but fails to understand the situation fully. In her innocence, she recognizes Mr. Cunningham, the father of a schoolmate. She attempts to engage him in congenial conversation, inquiring about his entailment, debt, his son Walter, and asking why he hasn't brought the Finches their hickory nuts. This talk about everyday matters bewilders the men. Mr. Cunningham bends down to Scout's level, and in response to her direct appeal states, "I'll tell him you said, 'Hey, little lady.'" He then disperses the mob. Subsequently, Mr. Underwood, the newspaper editor, reveals that he was watching the scene unfold from his nearby office, shotgun in hand, ready to defend Atticus if need be. After bringing Mr. Cunningham back to the reality of his actions and their repercussions, Scout unknowingly diffuses an extremely dangerous situation. It's through her genuine innocence and kindness that she humanizes Mr. Cunningham and reminds him of the simple, common principles they share as neighbors and fellow human beings. The chapter ends on a relatively peaceful note, but the children's encounter with the bleak and dangerous sides of humanity will have a profound impact on them.